electrical energy. Electrical energy. The second one is, students, wind. But by the way, how wind deliver energy? How wind deliver, or by which forms wind deliver energy for us? Look, the second one is wind deliver or the energy in the form of, first in the form of pressure or movement. Pressure or movement, you can say movement. The second one is in the form of sound. The third one is in the form of electrical energy. Look, so you can deliver the energy from the wind in the form of pressure or movement. The second, sound and electrical energy. The third one is running water. Look, the running waters deliver energy in the form of, the first one is in the form of what? In the form of sound. In the form of sound, movements, and in the form of electrical energy. So, students, the running waters deliver energy in the form of sounds, movements, or we can say the pressures, and electrical energy. So the energy which we can get from different sources deliver us in different perspective or in different forms. The fourth one is, look, the fourth one is food. By the way, how food deliver us the energy? Can you try this, students? How food deliver energy for us? In the form of what the food deliver energy for us? Good. The first one is food deliver for us in the form of heat. The second one is in the form of movement. So the third one is in the form of sound. When you get the energy from foods, you will get heat. When you get the energy from foods, indirectly you will get the energy for movement. Then after also, when you get the energy from the food, indirectly you will get the sounds. What will be the fifth one, students? The battery cell. Look, the battery cell, there are different type of battery cell. So the battery cell deliver energy in different ways or in different forms. What are the forms in which the battery cell can deliver energy? The first one is in the form of light. For example, if we take the photograph deliver for us the light which get from the battery cells. The energy get from the battery cells. So the energy which produced from the battery cell deliver in the form of light. You can take the photograph. The second one is in the form of sound. You can say in the form of sound. If you take different type of sound, loudspeakers, the loudspeaker gets the energy from the battery cells, which deliver in the form of sounds. Lastly, heat and electrical energy. So, students, the battery cell delivers the energy in the form of light, in the form of sound, in the form of heat, and electrical energy. What will be the last one? The last one is coal. Do you know coal, students? What is coal? What type of energy do we get from the coals? What type of energy do we get from the coals? How energy deliver us from the coals? Good. So the energy which deliver from the coal is in the form of heat. You see, students, in the ancient times, different peoples was use the coals instead of getting the energy in the form of heat. To get energy, the ancient people use coals to produce energy in the form of heat. So the energy which will be delivered from the coal is in the form of heat. In the form of heat. Second, it is in the form of electrical energy. Electrical energy. Look, so students, what we are going to understand from this topic is that you can get a variety, different type of energy in different perspectives from different type of sources. You can get energy from the battery cell, you can get energy from the food, you can get energy even from the wind, from the sun, and from the running waters. For example, students, today in our country, our renaissance or our greatest dams is now it is done in the form of running water for the source of electrical energy. So it is used as to release or to give the energy, to deliver energy in the form of electrical energy. That's why these all are the sources. Look, the sun, the wind, and the running water, food, battery, cell, and the coal used for they are used as source. These all are the forms by which they deliver energy for us. Have you a question on this subtopic, students? Good. Let me pass to another one. So the energy that obtained from the sun. The sun is called solar energy. Students, look, the energy that we obtained from the sun is known as the solar energy. The solar energy. So, solar energy means that the energy that we get from the sun. So, the energy which we get from the sun is called the solar energy. Good. Students, what is electricity? Students, what is electricity? And what is the use of electricity? Why we need electricity? Look, students, to understand the concept of the electricity, first we have to know atoms. Students, before going to talk about electricity, just we do have the concept of the atoms. What do we mean the atoms? What do we mean by the atoms? What are the part of atoms? Just we will going to refer it first. So there are three type of atoms. Atoms contains atoms contain first, look, neutron. Students, it contains neutrons, mean that part of atom that have no charge. The second one is proton, positively charged particles. Positively charged part of atom. The third one is electron. Electron is negatively charged part of atoms. Look, students, you have to get the concept. What do we mean by proton? What do we mean by neutron, proton, and electron? To know the concepts of electricity before going to talk electricity. So neutron means that it is a part of an atom which do not have no charges, without charges. So neutrons do not have a charges. But proton is a positively charged part of an atom, and electron is the negatively charged part of an atom. Have you got the point, students? Thank you very much. Let me summarize the today's topic lesson in a briefly way. Good. As you know, today we have been dealing with that. First, we started from the energy. We said that what is energy? Energy is the ability to do works. We said that energy is the ability to do works. So we said that in our daily activities, when we jump, when we walk, when we even read, when we play different type of playings, just we need an energy. But where do we get energy? What is the source of energy for these all things? So we say that food is the source of energy for all these functions or for all these activities. That's why we need an energy to do all these functions properly. Even aircraft, cars, and different machines which are found in our countries or in our local or in our surroundings need energy to do their works properly in a proper manners. And we say that there are different sources of energy, and those sources of energy deliver energy in different forms. They deliver energy in different forms. For example, you take the sun deliver energy in the form of, first say that in the form of heat, light, and electrical energy. There are different sources of energy like the sun, wind, running waters, battery cells, food, even the coals. Those are the type of the sources of energy, and these are the way by which, or the forms by which they deliver energy for us or for human beings. These all are the topics that we have been dealing with. That today's topic lesson will be tied up on this. If you have any question, confusion, and misunderstanding, please ask your parents. Until the next time, thank you very much. Goodbye.